Today, we are diving into the world of Python, the powerhouse programming language. Python is known for its simplicity and versatility. From desktop and web development to artificial intelligence, Python can do it all. Web development in Python. Python's versatility empowers web developers with concise code and extensive libraries, fostering efficient development of dynamic websites, while frameworks like Django and Flask streamline the process, ensuring scalability and robustness. Data science in Python. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries, including NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, coupled with its simplicity and flexibility, makes it the cornerstone for data science tasks, enabling seamless data manipulation, analysis, and machine learning model implementation. Automation in Python. Python's wide array of automation libraries, such as Selenium and Pyautogi, alongside its intuitive syntax and extensive community support, catalyze the creation of efficient and scalable automation scripts for tasks ranging from web scraping to system administration. Game development in Python. Python's versatility in game development shines through libraries like Pgame and Panda 3D, offering developers a blend of simplicity and power to create engaging, cross-platform games, supported by a vibrant community and ample resources for learning and growth. Cybersecurity in Python. Python's flexibility and robust libraries like Scapy and pcryptodome facilitate rapid development of cybersecurity tools, empowering professionals to analyze threats, encrypt data, and fortify systems against cyber attacks, all within a dynamic and supportive community. Scientific computing in Python. Python's scientific computing prowess, propelled by libraries like NumPy, scipy, and matplotlib, empowers researchers and engineers to conduct complex simulations, analyze data, and visualize results with ease, fostering innovation across diverse scientific disciplines. Finance in Python. Python's extensive libraries such as Pandas and NumPy, coupled with its readability and versatility, enable finance professionals to efficiently analyze data, build robust trading algorithms, and implement complex financial models, driving informed decision-making and innovation in the financial industry. Artificial intelligence in Python. Python's rich ecosystem, epitomized by libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, empowers AI engineers to develop sophisticated neural networks, natural language processing algorithms, and computer vision systems, driving innovation and advancing the frontier of artificial intelligence. Internet of Things, IoT, in Python. Python's lightweight yet powerful libraries, including MQTT and Adafruit CircuitPython, coupled with its ease of integration with microcontrollers and cloud platforms, accelerate the development of IoT solutions, enabling seamless connectivity and smart functionality across diverse devices and applications. Community and collaboration in Python. Python's vibrant community fosters collaboration and innovation through extensive documentation, supportive forums like Stack Overflow, and collaborative platforms like GitHub, creating an inclusive environment where developers of all levels can learn, share knowledge, and contribute to open source projects, driving the continuous evolution and widespread adoption of the language.